Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to bind a book. 1. Divide your paper into stacks, typically 8 sheets per stack, and fold them in half to create folios. 2. Staple pages together. Secure each folio with 2 staples along with a fold. A long arm stapler is ideal, but a regular stapler with a workaround will suffice. 3. Glue and reinforce spine. Glue the spines of the stacked folios together and reinforce with a strip of fabric. Now, use a sharp craft knife or guillotine and trim uneven edges for cleaner finish. Cut stiff cardboard for the front, back, and spine. Cover them with fabric or leather, leaving a small gap between the spine and covers. Glue the bound paper to the cover, ensuring the spine remains flexible by attaching only fabric wings. Just cover the inside of the cover with decorative or plain paper to hide raw edges and complete the professional look. The book dry thoroughly if needed. Lightly iron the pages with flatten to remove wrinkles. This project uses everyday materials like paper, fabric, scraps, cardboard, glue, and basic tools, making it accessible for beginners. If you'd like additional tips or alternatives for any steps, let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.